The site is a suburban site in Wānaka. It's a back section, and this particular project is the third building on the site for these clients. The brief was for a small house, a small pod on the site. It's basically been refined down to the essence of what a holiday could be. Really simple, really basic, but comfortable. We've used a lot of curves on the exterior, paying respect to the land and fitting such a building onto this site amongst the existing trees and plants. When you do come inside, once you get through the entry door, everything opens up. And you have these windows, the apertures to the outside, bring a lot of light in. And you can see views, see the trees, and they're not big vistas, but they give you a sense of space, but also gives you a lot of privacy from the neighbours and from other buildings on the site. There are no hallways. All the rooms connect, and that is how we've managed to fit all the program into this small space. A playful addition is a ladder that connects the main living space to a sleeping loft. We've used the lichen colour on the exterior. The cladding wraps right around the building, giving it a real solid presence in the bush. Like the exterior, we've used one material inside, the plywood and the timber beams, and because it's just one material, it gives a real calmness. It's successful because it is a small project on an unused piece of land, on a back section that no one would really build on. We've demonstrated that we can create a joyful, playful, sculptural piece of architecture on a very difficult site.